Welcome back to Digital Dimension. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of programming with Python. Why is Python the go-to language for beginners and seasoned developers alike? Let's dive in and discover the reasons. Python has soared in popularity thanks to its straightforward syntax that resembles everyday English. This simplicity makes Python ideal for those new to programming. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is powerful enough to run complex applications from web development to data analysis and artificial intelligence. Developers love Python because it is versatile, has a large community, and boasts extensive libraries that make coding easier. Its popularity is reflected in numerous surveys and job postings which show a high demand for Python skills. One reason for this popularity is Python's ability to adapt to many fields, from scientific computing to finance. Educational institutions also prefer Python, making it a staple in computer science courses worldwide. With Python, you're not just learning a language, you're joining a thriving global community. This community continuously contributes to its development, ensuring that Python remains relevant and cutting edge. One of Python's greatest strengths is its readability. With clear and concise syntax, Python code is easy to understand and write. This means you'll spend less time deciphering code and more time creating and experimenting, making the learning process enjoyable and effective. Python's syntax emphasizes readability, using indentation and natural language elements that make it approachable. Whether you read someone else's code or your own from months ago, Python's readability helps you understand it quickly. This characteristic not only helps beginners learn faster, but also enables experienced programmers to be more productive and collaborative. Python versatility is unmatched. Whether you're into web development, data science, or game development, Python has the libraries and frameworks to get started. Django and Flask for web apps, Pandas and NumPy for data analysis, and Pygame for games are just the tip of the iceberg. Python's extensive standard library supports a wide range of tasks. From file handling to internet protocols, its adaptability means you can use Python for small scripts or large-scale applications. With Python, you can prototype rapidly, test ideas, and implement solutions across different domains efficiently. What might sound confusing now will become clear as you gain experience. Compared to other programming languages, Python often requires fewer lines of code to accomplish the same tasks. This makes Python more efficient for learning and provides a smoother learning curve. While languages like Java and C++ have their strengths, Python's broad applicability and supportive community make it an outstanding first language. Java, for example, is widely used in enterprise environments, but has a steeper learning curve. C++ is powerful for system-level programming, but is more complex. JavaScript is essential for web development, but can be quirky. Python balances ease of use with powerful capabilities, making it a top choice for beginners. By choosing Python as your first programming language, you're not just learning to code, you're unlocking a world of possibilities. Whether your dream is to build websites, analyze data, or create games, Python is your gateway. The journey of learning Python is not just about mastering a language, it's about opening doors to a future filled with opportunities. Ready to start this adventure with us? Subscribe to Digital Dimension and let's turn your programming dreams into reality. See you in the next dimension.